Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Snapchat background black instead of white. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile at the left top corner and then tap on the settings button at the right top corner of the screen. On iOS, you can scroll down the settings option until you reach App Appearance under My Account. Here select the Always Dark option to enable dark mode. But if you have an Android, the App Appearance option may not be available to you in the settings. To enable dark mode on Android, go to Safari or Google App. Search for Snapchat Help and open the Snapchat support website. Here scroll down to find the Contact Us option at the bottom. Here you will see a list of issues you are facing. Select I need help with the Snapchat feature from the list. Scroll down and select Settings. Further down, you will see the Dark Mode option. Select Dark Mode and fill out the form below. Write your username, email address, and description. In the description, mention that you are not able to get the Dark Mode feature on your phone. After writing the description, click on Submit. Your request now has been submitted and you will get the dark mode feature in the next 48 hours. And that's all. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next one.